this week's events.
Where do you think you're going? The Halloween Spookeasy, you mean?
Enjoy a specialty menu, costume contest, jazz music, and free food.
Use the secret entrance for a free dessert voucher, and follow at K-State UPC for clues on how to find the entrance.
I didn't plan to go to the Halloween Spookeasy, but for some reason I went. It was an amazing time, and I'm so glad I went. I just don't remember why I decided to go.
I think we know why. Go to the Halloween costume contest in your costume. The top 4 win a prize.
Get a free varsity donut and contact lgbt@k-state.edu for more information.
Yeah, and I got a free varsity donut. I know, it was epic. But yeah, I'm just gonna put my stuff in my locker and head home. Okay, see ya.
Home?
I don't think so.
It's bowling night, baby.
Free bowling.
Free food.
Decorate your own bowling pin.
While supplies
last.